Morning, Europe. PrivateerFX here. Starting your day out with some interesting points for the European Open. Let's go over what happened last night and a little bit what happened over the weekend. Overall, very narrow ranges last night, except for dollar yen here, which heartbreakingly on Kuroda news about ETF purchases traded up through all of these highs, 114.73, but then collapsed down to 21. Raise your hand if you're tired of trying to buy dollar yen and stay long. Been very difficult, as you can see. Wham, smoked there. Wham, smoked there. Even if you bought through strength, you took a fair bit of pain there. Tricky stuff. 114.38 now. I'm just gonna have to leave this thing alone, I think, and see how things trade up at 115. I'm out of ideas, dollar yen. We'll see how we go at 115. Let's move on. Dollar Swiss. This traded up to a high of 25. Now we have these 2 hourly highs at 25, and then we have this double top at 40. Both worth watching today. We have also sterling 130.40. This double bottom held and is in play going forward. If we see it through 40, we should see it down to the figure. You'll see some support in this sort of 129.95.05 area. But sterling looks like it's set to go lower this morning, and 130.40 could be the bull bear point. Sterling yen, which has been hysterically difficult as well, like all of the yen crosses. Let's just check up the dailies. You see this big down move through this little short-term 1-month trend line. Big red bar for the bears, but no follow through. Technically, if we get down through 148.70, we could start to see some follow through, but you'll have to see weakness in cable, or you'll have to see dollar yen turn around. Tough stuff. Kiwi turned lower today, marginally lower, off about 40 points, 68.19. This is a long-term point we've been kind of talking about. You should just have it on your pad, ready to look at it and ready to trade it. Probably not today because we opened 100 points higher, but don't forget about it. This is interesting. We had all kinds of funny news out of Saudi Arabia. 11 princes were arrested, and 48 little minions of princes were arrested. Whether this has an effect on the stock market or on risk, it's not super clear to me. These guys obviously own a lot of stocks. I don't think they're going to be forced to liquidate anything, but oil, of course, has gone higher on this news. So this should help the commodity currency CAD, but so far not much of a move. We got central bank news today. Aussie cash rate, well, really tonight in Europe, 3:30 in the morning. Then we have Kiwi rates tomorrow. Neither of them are expected to make a move, but it's worth following and seeing what they say. We have Mexican rates on Thursday, and so we got 3 central banks this week to watch out for. Looks like we'll have a mildly quiet open. Dollar Swiss looks like the best setup. Marginally higher dollar on the open here is the call. and we'll see what happens. Good luck, guys. Talk to you at the New York Open. Ciao.